Sometimes, all it takes is changing the words you tell yourself to completely change your life. Hi friends, welcome to new video. In the bustling city of New York, there lived a young man named Ethan Carter. He wasn't born rich, nor did he have a smooth journey. Life constantly pushed him down. Job rejections, failed businesses, and even the loss of close relationships. Ethan often felt invisible in a city where success stories were written every day. One evening, sitting alone on a park bench with tears in his eyes, Ethan asked himself, "Why me? Why can't I succeed?" His thoughts were full of doubt and negativity. But then, everything changed when a mentor introduced him to the power of Askfirmations. Instead of asking negative questions like, "Why can't I?" he started asking positive, empowering questions. Why am I capable of achieving success? Why does every opportunity come at the right time? Why am I stronger than my challenges? Slowly, Ethan's mindset began to shift. He replaced despair with curiosity, weakness with strength, and fear with courage. He began waking up every morning, looking in the mirror, and asking himself empowering Askfirmations. Within months, he noticed changes. He felt more confident in job interviews, he networked with the right people, and he even launched a small business selling handmade products online. The power wasn't in magic, it was in the questions he asked himself daily. Years later, Ethan stood proudly on the stage of a business conference in Los Angeles, sharing his story with thousands. His business had grown into a six-figure brand, and he was inspiring others to use Askfirmations in their own lives. Message: Ethan's journey proves one powerful truth. When you change your questions, you change your destiny. So next time you doubt yourself, stop and ask, "Why am I destined to succeed?" Backhand index pointing right, and remember, if you want more powerful stories like this, subscribe to this channel for daily inspiration.